Oh yeah, ay. When you need a hand and you don't know why, just know that I'll be there. When the road is long and you feel so tired, just know that I'll be
See how that looks. There we go. Hey, YouTube. John Reagan here with E-powersport, and I'm not in my shirt today. It's my day off. It's Monday, so that's a bike we'll be replacing. You hear that in the background? Yeah, we're gonna replace that with a much quieter motor here in the near future. So those of you, speaking of motors and replacing things, I'm taking one of our Velimotors XE28s out of the box today and setting it up. And I thought that would be a good time to do just a little unboxing video for you guys, put it together, show you how they come out, how easy it goes together. It's ridiculously easy. It's so easy, I'm already starting to pull it out of the box while I'm talking to you, not even paying attention. So yeah, just pull that, get rid of that, fold it down so you can get up beside it. It's like 100 pounds. Remember, lift with your legs. Luckily, I have a friend here to give me a hand if I need it. Oh boy, so we're gonna double lift this. Get help, kids. There you go. So, yeah, you grab the things here. Nothing underneath anything. Make sure you don't miss anything. Get your books and stuff. All the fun stuff. Yeah, drag that out of the way. What's in here? So, don't lose those. You got 4 little screws in there. You have your book. It's pretty much all in Chinese. I mean, you can figure most of it out. But something we found out about these, there's a little misconception that we had because we've been testing them. And the speedometer showed us 60 plus miles per hour. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's been GPS tested, and it looks like the speedometers are just a little off. So the actual rated miles per hour for this is 52 to 85 kilometers an hour. Watch this. Oh, gotta unlock it. There we go. Oh, so heavy. Put that foot around, lock it up, put the kickstand down, ready to assemble. Super easy. So, giant battery pack comes in this, and because it has such a giant battery pack, you get 2 chargers. So, anyway, so back to what I was saying. It has been tested. We've tested it with GPS at 47. I was able to get one to 49. So really close there, using the dual motor and the turbo in order to get to those speeds. How about you, David? What did you think of it when you were riding it?
It's awesome.
Yeah?
It's an experience.
That is for sure.
If you ride it, you're going to own it. It's that simple. I've never ridden anything.
Yeah? Nothing like it?
No, nothing like it at all.
Nice.
I think it'll tear up most hills.
Yeah? Yeah. So David took our demo out yesterday and came back and promptly said, so I'm going to buy one of these from you, and just so you know. It's like, oh, well, that's good to know. So, yeah. So it's real simple. Just handlebars go on. You want to make sure you tighten all the bolts. Again, I got 4. We're going to find out where those go real quick. Pretty sure they go in the speedometer. But yeah, and actually we are selling this thing for a ridiculously low price. Most scooters like this are over $2,000, I mean, I think the Segway GT on sale, mind you, is $2,400, all right? Doesn't even have as big a battery, doesn't have dual motors,
Nothing small.
doesn't go 50 miles an hour, so yeah. And this one, $1,800, $1,799. That's $1,800 for a 60 volt, 38 amp hour battery pack. That's what that battery pack costs retail. We're giving you a scooter wrapped around that. So, hell of a deal. I'm not gonna deny it. Let's see. I was surprised too. I took this thing out and was riding around to and from work. You know, so I like to use it, real transportation. And it performed really well. It was really easy to handle, easy on the road, 35 to 55 miles an hour on the thing. And yeah, I can even dance on the platform. I have my speaker. You guys know I ride with my speaker on my stuff. Listen to I Can Survive and disco dancing with the disco lights on this crazy platform. So it's a lot of fun. Yeah, I definitely recommend it. You got your turbo, your eco buttons. I'll grab the screen in a second. It's pretty much put together, right? As my other phone goes on. Be right back. Ooh. It's my wife. I'll call her right back after the video. So, yeah, so we have turn signals we can put on. We have a clamp here we can lock into place and some things you can tighten. But in general, it is pretty much put together, right? It was that easy. We're done. All right, let's go ride. No, I'm kidding. We, of course, want to charge it. You want to plug in both your chargers. I know most of you just want to jump on it and go. But you want to tighten this down. You want to make sure you tighten these down because this does get a little loose sometimes. Check these head bolts, these nuts right here, or bolts right here. Not just the quick release, but also these little ones. Yeah, and then just kind of tighten everything up for yourself. Now, if you lock this clamp right here in place that holds this, and you still feel it wobble, this one's actually really solid. But you may feel it like wobble or give. There's a nut up under here that you tighten down. It's a 10mm nut. I recommend doing it while you have it locked so you can check the wobble, the resistance, and make sure you have that real good and tight. Always go over the nuts on the crown parts to make sure that you know they're tight and they've come from the factory in a good condition for you to ride. Yeah, but other than that, it's pretty much it. I mean, look, it's just like, let me move this and move this up here. Pretty much almost done. I mean, if I wasn't talking so much, I'd be done already. Right? Sure. You guys can all agree. You can put it down in the comments. That's right, John. If you would have shut up, you'd been done 5 minutes ago. You could have watched this video and been done eating my dinner already.
Turn the lights on for him.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting to. That's the next thing I was gonna do. So just to make sure it works, slice that bad boy. Ooh, look at the lights. Those are fun. See, and this is a little wobbly because I still gotta tighten it down. So yeah, so you wanna just make sure you get everything snug, tight, lights are working great, turn signals work. So I like to turn the brakes down more and this up a little bit, give them a little more separation. That's up to you. I also like to set them to non-zero start in the menu. So that means you're gonna have to give it a couple of kicks, get up to like 2 or 3 miles an hour before the throttle will actually kick in. That's a safety thing for you. But yeah, turn signals, lights, so pretty. So it's a disco, right? So you can see why I was disco dancing on this thing as I was riding down the road. It's very appropriate. Woo! They're not gonna miss you with that horn. That's for sure. So you got dual ports right here for charging. It's got a little stuff on it. Nice. Got those. Like I said, go through, check all your bolts, make sure everything's snug. You got dual chargers. Thing charges in 2.5 hours with those dual chargers. That's 2 10-amp chargers you plug in to a less than 40 amp. You do the math, right? That's gonna give it to you in basically about 2 hours. Or no, sorry, 2 5 amps, my bad. 2 5 amps, a total of 10 amps. Is that right? Let's check it again. Deal with so many of these. 5 amps, so 2 10-amp chargers, you'll be able to charge in less than 4 hours. So, which is probably good. That's still pretty darn quick for this thing. Or do one, charge at 8, and do a slow charge on it. Just full charge that thing up. Whew, that does look good. I might leave the wrap on the tires even. Just what do you think, dude?
Well, no, then I won't be able to ride it.
So you heard it, folks. I'm leaving the wrap on the tires. so everybody coming in doesn't want to ride it. This is new. This is the new. Showing 59 volts here on the gauge. Excellent. There we go. Needs a charge up. Needs some tightening. They came with a little tool. Oh, and I think I'm in cinema mode, so I hope the movement's okay. We'll move slow. Just so you guys can see, pretty standard LH100. I'll flip that to miles per hour and the non-zero start next. And then 59, it needs a charge, so I get some voltage in there. But yeah, other than that, 10-minute video. I mean, again, if you weren't talking, it'd be like less than 5 minutes probably to put this whole thing together, charge it up, be out on the road. $1,800, free shipping. All right, did I mention $1,800 free shipping? That's what the battery costs. Jeez. All right, on our website as well as in store, www.e-powersport.com, 2036 Western Ave, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89102. See those orders from you soon.
I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there.